Hey guys, how's it going? It's Auret here. I have another Run Your Biz Tuesdays tutorial for you, and today it's about YouTube. So I have a YouTube tip for you that's going to show you how to create a link so that when someone clicks on this link, instead of just going and landing on your channel, they will have a pop-up come up asking them to subscribe to your channel. So I'll show you what this looks like first, and then I'll show you how to create the link for your specific channel. So I've just landed on one of our videos here where we put the subscribe to channel link in the description below. And you'd be surprised, by the way, how many people actually click on this link in the description rather than just subscribing to the channel in general. So that's interesting. That's a tip in itself. But so to create this link here, what you need to do, I'll show you what it looks like. I'm going to open it in an incognito window because I'm already subscribed to my own channel. And when someone clicks on that, they'll see something like this where it says, "Are you sure you want to subscribe?" And then they can either cancel or they can hit subscribe. So that's really cool because it gives them a direct call to action to subscribe. Now keep in mind this only works when they're on desktop. So this trick doesn't work if you gave someone the subscribe link on mobile and they clicked on it from their phone, they wouldn't see that pop up. So this only works on desktop. So let me show you how to create it. It's really a two-step process. The first step is to take the URL of your YouTube channel. If you don't know how to get that, don't worry, I'll show you. But as you can see here, our YouTube URL is youtube.com/user/Asatino-connections. And then we just kind of add this question mark sub piece to it. So the easiest way, if you don't know what your channel URL is, your channel URL might look like youtube.com/user/ a bunch of letters and numbers. That's your channel URL. If you don't know how to find it, all you need to do is just YouTube search yourself. So whatever your channel is, I'll just, for example, go to Marie Forleo, this is the first person that came to my mind, and go to her channel. When you click on that, you can right off the bat find her URL at the very top, and then you can copy that. That's the first step, is to find your YouTube channel URL. So once you have that, just copy it and paste it somewhere. And then step 2 is adding this second piece, which is $confirmation=1. So this second piece is something that you just tag on to the end of the URL, and then this whole thing becomes your YouTube subscription link. So we can do it again with another example. So again, pretend like you're searching for your own channel. I'm going to do one of our clients, Kevin Burciaga, is someone who we private mentored one-on-one to help him start his channel. So assume this is you, you found your channel, click on your channel. You found this is your channel URL, so grab that, paste it somewhere, and then add $sub_confirmation=1. And just to test it out, to make sure it works, I'm going to copy this whole thing. Let's open an incognito window and paste it right in here, and let's see if that works. Yes, so this channel subscription box has popped up, which means it works. So make sure you test it as well to make sure that your URL is working. Because if, as you can see, if I remove that sub confirmation piece and just send them directly to the YouTube channel link, then they just end up going to the channel without having that call to action to subscribe. So guys, that is how you create your YouTube subscribe link. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to help. Leave them in the comments below, and let me know if you like this video by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel for more good YouTube tips coming your way. If you are a fairly new YouTube channel, you're looking to grow your channel, your views, your subscribers, I'm going to put a link to our full playlist of videos on how to grow your channel. We've created so many tutorials, YouTube tutorials, helping others how to grow their channel, and we also offer one-on-one private YouTube mentoring. I'll put all of those links in the description below so you can check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Back from the dead.